Hello friends, welcome to Creatively Made in Home. I am Sheetal here, and in today's video we are gonna see how to make this beautiful coasters. The beauty of this coaster is this border which looks very elegant. The coaster is very simple. So let's see how to make this beautiful coaster. For this project I am gonna use Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton yarn. This is 100% cotton Mercedes yarn and it is medium worsted 4 category, and it asks for size G, that is 4 mm crochet hook. I am gonna use this charcoal color yarn and a white color yarn, same Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton. Then size G, that is 4 mm crochet hook. So let's get started. Take the yarn which you want in the center. Here in my case I am using this charcoal yarn, and we'll begin with a magic ring. So I do magic ring in this way. I wrap the yarn around my 2 fingers. I insert the hook in the loop and pull a loop of this working yarn like this. Make 2 chains. We'll make these 2 chains just to get the height. We'll not consider this as a stitch. And in this magic loop we'll make 12 double crochet. So take the yarn over, insert hook in the loop, grab the yarn, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. Take the yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, again yarn over through these remaining 2 loops. So this is our first double crochet. We'll make 11 more double crochet in the magic ring. Two, 3, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are my 12 double crochet in the magic ring. Pull this tail yarn so that the loop will get tightened. Pull as much as possible so that there is no hole in the center. Now insert hook in the first double crochet, skip these 2 chains, insert hook in the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. So if you notice, because of these 2 chains we don't have any hole in the first and last stitch, and we got the height also, but we'll not consider that as a stitch. Again we'll make 2 chain, not consider as a stitch, and here in this second round we'll make 2 double crochet in each stitch. So go to the first stitch, make 1 double crochet, in the same stitch make 1 more double crochet, go to the next stitch, double crochet, in the same stitch 1 more double crochet. Similarly we'll work full. So as we had 12 stitches in the first round, here we will have 24 stitches. (23) and 24. So here I completed my second round with 24 stitches. Again in the first stitch insert a hook and make a slip stitch. This completes our second round. Make 2 chain for the third round. Here in the first stitch we'll make 1 double crochet, and in the next we'll make 2 double crochet. In the next again 1 double crochet, in the next 2 double crochet. So here alternately we are increasing 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So similarly complete this round 3. 1, and in the last stitch we'll get 2 double crochet. Like this we completed round 3. Insert hook in the first stitch and make a slip stitch. This completes our round 3. For round 4 just make 1 chain, not 2 chain but 1 chain, because in this round we are gonna do single crochet. Will not do any increase, just 1 single crochet in each stitch. And as we had 12 stitches in the first, 24 second, here we will have 36 stitches. So in the fourth round we will not do any increase, so we will have 36 single crochet. Right, starting from the first stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. And here I have completed my last round. Because we have not done any increase, your work will curl up, but don't worry, once we do the last round, this lace round, it will flatten up. Here don't complete the round with the slip stitch, rather cut the yarn. Now insert your hook in the last stitch from back to front like this, and pull this, grab this yarn and pull it through that loop, pull it through the last stitch. Now insert hook in the last stitch, only back loop like this, and pull the yarn through that loop. Gently pull it, and now you can see we have a beautiful finish like the other stitches. We will not notice where the work has finished. So this is a good way to give a nice finish to your work. Now we will begin the last round, this beautiful lace round. So let's see how to do that. Insert hook in any stitch and grab your white color yarn or whatever color you're gonna use for the border. Pull it through the stitch. Now hold both working and tail yarn and pull through the loop. Pull the tail yarn out. So this way we will secure our tail yarn here. Now make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll see how to make this beautiful lace. To make that, skip first chain, go to the second chain, take the yarn over, pull a loop through that chain. We'll have 2 loops, don't do anything there. Go to the first chain or the last chain towards the work we have, take the yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Now insert hook where we have connected this white color yarn. In that stitch, take the yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 4 loops on the hook. One more time. Now go to the next stitch. This is where we had connected the yarn. We have already pulled out a loop from there. Now go to the next stitch, take the yarn over, pull out a loop. So we have 5 loops on the hook. Now take the yarn over and pull out through all the 5 loops like this. This is our 1 stitch. Make 2 chain. Now skip first chain, go to the second chain, take the yarn over, pull it out, 2 loops. Here in the first stitch you can see this 1 loop. insert hook in that loop, take the yarn over, pull out a loop, 3 loops on the hook. Now where we did the second, in this where we have done this second, this is where we began the work, the next stage. In that insert a hook, take the yarn over, pull out a loop, 4 loops on the hook. Now go to the next stage, take the yarn over, pull out the loop, 5 loops on the hook, take the yarn over and pull out through all the 5 loops. This is our stitch. Again make 2 chain, skip first chain, go to the next chain, yarn over, pull out a loops, 2 loops, go in this loop, vertical loop you see of the previous stitch that we have made. In that take the yarn over, pull out a loop, where we have done the last stitch. In that pull out a loop, 4 loops on the hook, go to the next stitch, pull out a loop, 5 loops on the hook, take the yarn through all the 5 loops. Like this we will complete the entire border. One more time I will show. 2 chain, skip 1 chain, through chain 1 loop, through this stitch, 1 more loop where we did the last stitch, in that 1 loop, and in the next stitch 1 loop. So 5 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all the 5 loops. So similarly complete the entire border. Now I have completed the entire round and left with the last stitch. So I will show you how to do that. Similarly make 2 chain, skip 1 chain, go to the next chain, pull up a loop, 1 loop in the stitch, 1 loop where we did the last stitch, and 1 in the last one. Pull up through all the 5 loops. So here we completed the entire round. Pull out the loop and cut the yarn. Now like we finished the previous round, we will finish it so that all the stitches look similar and will not find a weird joint here. So to do that, if you see here we have our first 3 chains. Insert hook in the second chain, in the middle chain here. This is the first chain, second and third. We want this spike, so we leave the last chain, insert hook in the middle chain. Now grab this, put this cut yarn and pull out through that chain. Insert hook where we have last stitch and pull the yarn through that stitch. Now pull this yarn back side, gently pull it, so we'll have neat finish like other stitches. Nobody can find where we have done the connection. Then sew these tail ends and our project will be ready. And our beautiful coaster is ready. I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.